Hey, what's up guys? In today's video, I'm going to be showcasing you how to restart your iPhone 17, 17 Pro, Pro Max or any other iPhone in two different ways. So let's get started. The first and the simplest way, it's going to be using the buttons. Here you can see there is a volume up and a volume down button along with this slider button. What you need to do is to quickly press and release the volume up, followed by quickly press and release the volume down button, and then hold on to the side button until the screen goes completely black and the Apple logo appears there. At that time, you will let go the side button. So again, quickly press and release the volume up, volume down, and hold on to the side button. While you are doing that, make sure that you do not touch on the screen. It will mess up the process of the sequence. And once you do that, you will see Apple logo up here. And then you will let go the side button, and that is going to go ahead and restart your iPhone without losing any of your data. All of your photos, videos, apps will still be available on your iPhone. You don't have to worry about it. And if it does not work very first time, go ahead and try it again. Sometimes it does take a few tries to get the hang of this device. Just make sure you press volume up, volume down quickly before holding onto the side button. Now another simple and easier way is using your Siri. If you have Siri enabled, then you just need to issue a command to Siri. To do that, simply say, Siri, restart my iPhone. Once you have shot the command, Siri will ask you to confirm by simply saying yes. And Siri can also go ahead and restart your iPhone without having any button methods. So for some reason, if your buttons are not working or that method is not working for you, then you can go ahead with the Siri method and it will give you exactly same result and restart your device quite easily. So guys, these are the two simplest methods through which you can restart your iPhone 17 Pro, Pro Max or any other iPhone in the 17 series devices and any iPhone. I hope this video has helped you out in some way. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace.